Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Gazooga. Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Man, you look here.
Changes? What kind of changes?
It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
Wees benieuwd.
Entire life of my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
I found her! She's stuck in a fan! We'd better hurry!
I can't steer. Turn right to go left. Turn right to go left. That doesn't make any sense. Turn right to go left.
se dan por vencidos. ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the old...
Paving machine ever built. I'm hereby sentencing you to community service. You're gonna fix the...
Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the...
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Here with the racer taking the circuit by storm, Jackson Storm. Another easy win over old Kachap.
Mama is right here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen!
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh,